What's up, guys? Welcome back. So here we are with this little 5.3 that we're working on for a Chevy Avalanche. So I was waiting for it for about a month, and finally I picked it up yesterday. So we're ready to put it back together, and basically, just got to put all the covers on, put the gaskets or whatever is missing, and then once I drop it back in the truck, you put all the accessories, all the brackets and stuff like that. And for now, we're gonna put the OBS on pause for a few days so I get this project done. But yeah, guys, you guys stay tuned for the time lapse. What's up, guys? So I finally got this puzzle together after a big mess that I had here. It was all my fault for not taking it apart before taking it to the machine shop. So this is what happens. You get all the bolts in one little box. You gotta figure out how to put it back together. But thankfully I built enough of these so I'll know what the bolts look like for each part. But yeah, guys, so this sucker's ready for me to drop it in the truck. I'm gonna load it up and go install it and see if where everything works out. So you guys stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So I'm on my way to install this motor right now. The weather is not too bad. It's about 75, so it's not gonna be too hot, I hope, because where I'm going right now is one of my friend's daughter's car. And yeah, right there in the driveway, there's no shade, so last time when I took it off it was so hot. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, because it's gonna be, yeah, it gets pretty hot out here in Texas. Last time it was real hot, and then out of a sudden it just starts raining. It was crazy, and that's one of the reasons why I wasn't able to take the motor apart completely before taking it to the machine shop. That was that time where it was raining every day. But yeah, guys, you guys stay tuned for the process. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I just got done with the Avalanche. Yeah, I had a few issues here and there. One of the issues was when I turned it on, bank one was completely off, like it had no power whatsoever. So I'm, troubleshooting, and it turns out it was just a fuse. So I got that on there, and the truck ran smooth. We took it for a little test drive, and checked the tune, make sure it was good. It seems like somebody had already tuned it, so I kind of just fixed a few trims or whatever, but nothing major. But yeah, the truck's done, so hopefully next week I'm going to be working on this truck full time, so try to get some paint on the cab and the whole front end, try to get it done in 2 weeks. That's the plan. So yeah guys, so you guys stay tuned, I'll see you on the next one.